Taking action against their own top prosecutor, this after claims he mishandles sex abuse cases. Two agencies in Cedar County now asking the state to review complaints and consider disciplinary steps. Iowa's News Now reporter Marissa Schwartz tells us why survivor advocates hope this doesn't deter anyone from reporting abuse.
Some of the language that was being used, derogatory, victim shaming, it really called into question what was going on there.
Cedar County attorney Jeff Renander now facing accusations from the Cedar County Sheriff's Office and Tipton Police of making inappropriate statements to survivors during confidential conversations and being too lenient on defendants in sex abuse cases. Renander was reelected in 2018 in an uncontested race. Now he's facing mounting pressure to step down.
Because once I talked to the advocate, I actually found out there was more than just this one time that this happened. There was actually 3 or 4 different times where she could cite cases that this happened where a victim was maybe shamed during the course of the investigation.
Iowa CASA, Coalition Against Sexual Assault, works with victim advocates around the state, ensuring those who feel voiceless find the strength they need to come forward. In Cedar County, advocates are concerned Renander may continue doing his job in a way CASA advocates say is damaging.
Victims and survivors already struggle with coming forward to report, and this makes it just that much harder.
Deputies in Cedar County tell Iowa's News Now something had to be done. 13 deputies signed this letter of no confidence last month. They then followed up with a formal complaint filed with the Iowa Attorney Disciplinary Board. Those complaints are confidential.
If we didn't do something about this, we may not get victims to come forward or be willing to talk to us.
Tipton Police also filed a complaint with the state. Both are slated for review by the 12-member board. Advocates want people to know it's not common for outcry against a county prosecutor and hope for a positive outcome for victims.
We have very good relationships with a lot of prosecutors throughout the state, and so to have all this come to light is, I think, important and necessary.
If Renander faces discipline, the information will not be available unless the state makes it public. I tried to speak with him about these accusations, but he declined to comment. In Tipton, Marissa Schwartz, Iowa's News Now.